engineer and build models of real-world structures with structural engineering, bridges, and skyscrapers. Learn the basics of structural engineering by conducting experiments on 20 different models. Start out by building simple structural elements that optimize materials for strength and stability. Then combine those simple elements to build larger structures, including a truss bridge that uses its trusses to give strength and support to the deck, a skyscraper with strong diagonal braces to reinforce its tall structure, or a cable-stayed bridge that carries its load using a suspension cable system. A 44-page full-color manual provides step-by-step building instructions and an overview of structural elements, the forces acting on structures, and different types of bridges and skyscrapers. And with 323 pieces, you can design your own creations. Build your ingenuity with structural engineering, bridges, and skyscrapers. Ages 8 to 14. From Thames and Kosmos.